boys. I know it's pretty dark. We're going to a car meet right now. Meeting up with the boys, kind of a short notice kind of thing. My buddies just hit me up. There's a car meet going on. You want to go? I'm like, you know, obviously, bro. It's Saturday night. I got work tomorrow. Let's make the best of it, right? So we're gonna meet up with my boy Adam and Brian. I think we're about to just basically get on our way over here because I guess the meet already started. What's up, bro? What's the address? So I hope you guys enjoyed the video I posted. Well, because today's Saturday still, I wasn't aware of this car meet video, so I wouldn't have posted the Biggity vlog if I knew that we were going to go to this car meet. It was really short notice, so we'll be heading out in like at least a couple of minutes. Go see some pretty dope cars. I'm not sure what venue this is. I might have been Street Car Alliance. I'm not really sure exactly which group it's posted on. Once I figure it out, I'll let you guys know. Walking socks. There's a lot of Supras and shit. The Mini? Don't ruin the spots, man. There's a lot of people here right now. That's pretty cool. Interesting.
You like really have to give no fucks. It's probably salvage.
Yeah. Cool.
Oh shit, that's sick.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Back when they came out with the... Yeah, because I was wondering 26, not 20. Shit was smoke on all y'all. Except me. I just Nah, I'm pretty sure I doubt it'll be here. At least my car is not the only dirty one.
Evo 8. Flex. I want to buy one. I think my next car might be a Supra, yeah.
The third gen?
Yeah.
I heard that they're really hard to steer, actually.
Really? To steer?
Yeah, because like the way that the weight is... Oh, dude, Corrados? Look so amazed, like you never seen the
I've never seen you.
That's like your uncle.
Like my uncle? Hey, what's up, uncle?
See, I would pick up a Supra, but then like they're fucking expensive,
They're
dude.
stupid expensive, like 20K.
See, like I wouldn't mind this gen Supra right here.
Dude, look at how clean that seat is.
Fuck yeah. That shit looks almost as clean as mine.
I gotta pick one up.
Because what I was reading was that the rear is like a lot heavier than the front is, even with the engine being up here.
Take a picture of that.
Oh, it's used for, right?
Like, yeah, we like in action, the wang. That sounds horrible. Turn off your radio, bro.
Yeah, it's clean though.
Oh, hardtop, too. The spoon hardtop. Sick.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yo, remember Mark?
Mark what?
Slammery?
Slam? Yeah. Oh, he's over there?
He got one of these,
Huh?
and he got a carbon fiber one the other day.
The
Carbon
fucking
fiber
hardtop?
Yeah.
What?
He just got a carbon fiber hardtop.
Sick, dude. I need to get some rims like these for my car.
You want a Quip style?
I want something that's gonna be fucking
I
fat
can't
as
do that,
shit,
though.
deep,
I can't
like
do that.
super deep.
Huh?
Dude, you could
I gotta
fit
get some deep
dude.
rims.
See, me and Brian can't do that though.
Oh, yeah, we can't
I
do
can
that.
go 18 by 9s and then just stretch the
If we're gonna
fenders.
go 18 by 9 in the front, then we gotta pull
You gotta roll 'em?
shit out of it.
I gotta roll my fenders too.
What's your bag?
Yeah, unless your bag. Unless your bag is cool.
I gotta roll them too, so I ain't gotta worry about it. You know what I heard hard to come by is the Miata hardtops.
Hey, let's go on.
Really?
Yeah.
We're all over the place.
You ready?
Oh, yeah, the Miata hardtop?
Yeah, I heard they're hard to come by.
Whoa. It has these wheels.
Oh, you got water in it,
I just
dude.
started following. That happens to like every
I like this one.
Not their factory headlights or factory taillights.
I hate that type of fitment in the back.
Why?
I like that fitment. That looks fucking nice.
This looks better to you than this?
Yeah.
It's a different kind of
I don't
style.
want a fucking camber. This is just straight down, bro.
The dude that was gonna do my exhaust was gonna do it like that.
Fucking nice.
Yeah,
Did
that
I
would be
fuck up?
dope,
Did I
dude.
fuck up?
You kind of did.
Really?
Well, maybe no, because if you have a dual,
It's
like
only
that,
it's
I
only
think it looks
single.
better.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
why.
if it's a single
shit
one,
looks
or
gay.
if it's two of them next to each other, it looks okay. But
Next
double?
To each other, yeah. Double like that looks gay. That looks gay.
I like that fucking trunk. Do you?
Yeah, it
It's
does.
a different style. That's a different kind. Like that could be a trap car. This is just fucking
Oh.
shows.
But that's
Those
what I
totally
mean.
different
I like-
cars.
I don't know. I like practical use, you know? I just... I'd rather have this Wayne than that Duck stuff.
no, dude, the duck looks sick though. That's style points and it's carbon fiber.
Yeah, that shit's
I'd rather have that.
fucking
That's carbon fiber
expensive.
too.
Dude. That's just really hard. I want to get in this picture.
Oh shit, let's move on, babe. I don't know, they're both nice cars though.
Yeah, they're clean. Oh, that's nice.
Let me get 100K.
That's a Nismo? Might be a Nismo. Yeah, it has the carbon fiber sides, the little fucking flips and shit. It might be a Nismo edition.
Usually says big letters Nismo.
Would it?
Yeah.
See, these are dope, dude. If I was to get like a kid, like a family
kid?
car,
Yeah.
yeah, like a family car, yeah,
Look
they're-
at that. You even have like the dual tip.
yeah, that's a stock one right there. That's all stock. You didn't do shit to it. See, I wanted to fuck with the Prelude before I got my car.
Ah, fuck no, you're
For real?
better.
You think so?
I'd rather get your
Yeah.
car than
For
Prelude.
real?
Preludes are cool.
I like
They're
that shit.
nice. I'm not lying.
That's just clean. See, I don't know if I fucked up not getting this gen SI too. Well, the same, this just the coupe. I like the
Yeah, I like
front.
your gen,
I like the
but-
front, dude. I think it's hard. But it's not, I don't think it's not the SI. It's not an SI though.
The support for your car, there's way more parts out there for your car.
Yeah. That's a nice fitment.
But no, the worst part
That's a nice fitment, huh?
what's got me done.
I like the color. Vin said it was just like a specific one.
Well, that's
that came
that's
in
the
that
rally. That's the rally edition.
You know, I was thinking about going to 17s instead of 18s.
You could do it. You'd be more low.
Yeah, I could get way more low. The tires will be way cheaper.
Mm-hmm.
I just haven't taken off.
Yeah.
It'll be way easier, but 18s.
My girl wanted to get this car.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Dude,
but
why not? That'd be dope.
I told her no.
I got one.
Because the same price. It's the same
What is
price
it?
as an
That's
ST. And she gets fucking 70 more horsepower.
That's true.
Only in that one spot.
And she gets fucking Recaros,
It looks like paint.
leather Recaros. I want a Supra, man.
No, puta, que in that car.
That shit's hard, dude.
That one's sick. Damn.
Yeah. That's just, dude, 3 fucking inches, dude. Oh my god. Nice, man. That shit's fucking hard, dude.
And then
My brother was telling me to get a Mustang, get an old 5.0, get a Fox body.
Oh, dude, that would be dope.
Yeah.
Those
Could be a
they
project
get pretty
car.
cheap too.
Yeah, Fox body parts are fucking cheap, dude. Let's see what's clean.
Oh, look at this texture.
Is it a big ass boot?
Yeah.
That's clean though.
That is cool.
Yeah. What? I don't know if I like that fender.
Dude, oh no.
I don't
like
know.
how much it tucks. I like that fitment better than this, but
I don't.
still,
that's too
look at
much.
these wheels.
Yeah.
Those WCI wheels are freaking sick.
Jason?
How you doing, dude? How you doing, man? You got your Mustang out here or what?
Oh, I upgraded it, bro.
Oh, you did? What'd you get?
VMP?
Show me.
What's up, dog?
What's up? How you doing, dude?
See what he
Yeah,
is?
chilling, bro. Just walking around.
Nigga, he's pro charged.
Is he? What?
Fat ass Vortex.
Oh, clean, bro.
This the homie, nigga. Chill. Chill, cuz. On crib, nigga.
Shut the fuck up. That's clean, bro.
Put it on Instagram, don't tag me.
no, bro. No, bro. Nah, don't trip, don't trip.
But yeah,
I do YouTube and shit right now.
Yeah.
Nah, it's really fucking nice build, bro. I think my next project card's gonna be a Fox body.
So, bro.
I go Fox body. Yeah.
Mind if I take a look?
550 the wheels, 5-way torque.
Is it? You got
On a
it done?
conservative tune.
Oh,
Conservative.
shit. Nice, dude.
You
All
have
right, bro. I'll see you around, bro.
All right, then, man. Take
Have
care.
a good you too, bro. All right, dog. Careful.
On an aggressive tune, I can hit mid sixes.
What?
I'm at 17 psi.
Fuck. Nice, dude. All right, man.
What's that?
SoCal G. Q50 something.
Q50 and then the two-door one is a Q60.
Fucking love this gen, dude.
And,
My
I
God.
think it has like a toned-down version of the GTR.
Does it?
That's what I heard.
I wouldn't doubt it.
That's what
It's
I
just it's
heard.
fucking Nissan, so
Yeah,
I wouldn't doubt
I
it.
heard that, but I don't know that. So don't
That
go-
shit's hard. That shit's hard, dude. Fuck. Dude, this shit's hard. Nice. It's nice. Dude, look at that fucking exhaust.
Help right there.
I think it looks pretty cool. It looks like a Mini. It does. I like the way it looks. It's different. See, this is
Bumping windshield. What's up?
See, this is what I want to buy, but a clean M3 with the spoiler, all stock,
Which one's that? The one that goes like this?
with the spoiler. Yeah, with the spoiler.
That one?
Yeah, that's what I want to get.
Yeah, dude, he gutted it. Look, he even took off the freaking
Yeah,
weight shit. The
that's
weight,
just it.
the deadening.
Didn't do an outro. I was talking to my buddies I haven't talked to in a while. We were just talking about cars and stuff and kind of got carried away. We left the meet. It's 11:44 right now, so I'm just getting home. I got work at 6 a.m. This video will be up for you tomorrow. As soon as I get home, I'll start editing it and put it up. Didn't have much talking. Honestly, I just wanted to walk around and see the cars. Sorry if I wasn't really talking that much. It was only 3 of my buddies and my buddy's girlfriend. Well, there wasn't much going on other than just talking about good old cars. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, trying to get some more videos coming for you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.